Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the pre-market outlook session for the date of 16th September 2025 today. See, every day if you observed from the Nifty's movement or Sensex movement, we can take as usual the Nifty's one. Last week it has started moving in a sideways manner within 100 points. After that, it actually further shrunken to 90 to 80 points. Then it has again restricted in the range of 80 to 70 points as per yesterday's one. So how it is actually making this kind of changes means, yes, of course, because of the behavioral change in the Nifty and the Sensex or even other broader indices as well. As we have tracked it and informed you all that the change is now become a new normal. That means what was the change? The change is actually consolidating within a very thin range or a slim range, we can actually describe it. So because of this kind of changes, what it is trying to say for us means, as long as any index or any stock, any instrument you can take based on the technical behavioral analysis, if it is trying to move within a very neutral or a very narrow range, if you see, it is actually trying to protect the stage it is already having. What is that stage? The stage means currently what is the trend? Of course, Nifty is having a positive trend because it has consecutively trading above 25,000 after making an attempt to move above. See, that is very important. While the stock or instrument, whatever the thing, while it is taking an attempt to move beyond the resistance point and holding the same consecutively for the 2 or more days, during this attempt, if any pullback or a retracement happens, that would be a probable opportunity for buying. So it is for long. The vice versa for the bearish trend. So in that way only the behavior analysis is working out. Likewise, till yesterday, the Nifty is doing like this. And what it is meaning? Of course, while doing this kind of things amid of a bullish trend or a minor bullish trend also one can take. So which is what the pullback or retracement we described now. But anyhow, the Nifty is not getting selling attraction because of the breakdown. Because of any breakdown. But it is attracting the selling in rejection basis. So while it is trying to move towards our core area, that was 25,145, which has been discussed in many occasions and in every day's report until it is getting respected. We have been mentioning this point and giving explanation over on it. So that 25,145, how it is acting on Nifty, you can easily understand because yes, that means yesterday and Friday's one, the high about Nifty's you can take and examine it. Friday's one 25,139. Yesterday's one 25,138. What is it is trying to do? Actually, it is trying to respect the rejections as well as trying to come or find the support. Between this travel only the market is standing now. So it is now in the cusp of seeking the support and even the follow through buying actions also while the support is getting approached. That is very simple direction seeking, and we also observing based on the behavior of the Nifty. So that is what we wanted to share in the initial stage of today's session to make understand about, to make clarity. That means to get the clarity to trade on the Nifty or a stock, whatever the thing may be, without any confusion, without any hesitation, and more than that, without any emotion. That is the core thing. Without emotion, if you are trading on the stocks or whatever the thing, instruments, it would be probably reaping you the benefit what you are seeking. That's it. See, for the day, the opening would be on a cautious manner. The flat to negative thing one can expect for the Nifty and Sensex. After opening, as usual, would be very important to be watched out. And in case the Nifty today, it is actually forming the high below the yesterday's high. It means one can see the same kind of patterns, behavior, formations, and are expected on the Nifty today. Despite today is expiry for Nifty on weekly basis, one can see the thin range of trading activities on the Nifty and as well as the other benchmark index of Sensex. And what about the broader index? Means a broader index except for mid cap, one can see the continuation or in line with the movement of Nifty, one can expect for Bank Nifty, financial services, Nifty next. So these are going to be in a way how the Nifty is trading now. So that's it for the remaining day we can expect. In terms of levels, what one can expect? See, with the sell-on raise, again, the third consecutive day, we are mentioning this sell-on raise strategy should be deployed by the traders to protect your capital as well as enjoying the moments to get benefit over that. So in that way, with the sell-on rise strategy, the Nifty is expected to trade between 25,000 as a bottom and 25,145 as a maximum top for the day. Any break decisively happens above or below these mentioned levels. One can see 24,900 can be on the lower side as well as 25,300 in case it breaks the 25,145 today. Note it. The higher side, calculate the difference. After 25,145, it would be on the 25,300 only. 150 points one can expect, more than 0.5% of movement. So these are all the levels one should watch out, and the strategies we have mentioned, no, that should be implemented while watching the levels accurately. The sectors like real estate, today also the momentum on the positive side one can expect from the real estate oriented stock. And energy, rains, we want to wait and watch whether it is giving a helping hand or giving extensive momentum on the stock or not. And IT, based on the profit booking and because of the news based one, mixed kind of activities can be seen on IT stocks. Pharmaceuticals, metal, PSU bank, these are the additional sectors one can watch out for getting good opportunities under these sectors. From the stocks front, the business idea or a news based one and a technical behavior based also included in the list, such as Wipro, Adani Enterprises, Translite Lighting, NCC, Mishra Dhatu Nigam, Midani, Sangvi Movers, Anand Raj Industries, which was the stock we have recommended it already in the earlier part of the year, about to 100% of return one can expect from the stock like. So that was the stock Anand Raj Industries also listed in today's moment, because we also yesterday for the trading purpose recommended it. and along with the Banco products also recommended under Fortune Picks, a unique investment model with high potential return finding with a short period of holding. So these are all the stocks that day traders can focus and get benefit over that while trading. From the positional perspective, it is very important that Nifty should close above 25,145 for the consecutive 2 days in a row to make a further journey towards 25,500, and until it is happening, 24,700, 24,400 would be approached in case if higher side are not getting approached. These lower levels can be expected to meet the point for acquiring, buying, and then bouncing back. So anyhow, the positional traders should focus these levels to take your informed decisions on trading. So that's it from today's part of pre-market outlook session. It is very important. Everyone is advised to keep a solid stop loss on every trade. So thank you for your participating in today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow in the pre-market outlook session. Until then, we wish everyone to have a pleasant day ahead. Thank you.